How to turn off push notifications in Disney Speedstorm. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna guide you through how you can easily turn off the push notification in Disney Speedstorm step by step. First things first, launch open the Disney Speedstorm game on your device. Once you're inside this lobby screen, go ahead and click on the gear button at the top right corner. Once you open up this options tab, go to the push notifications button from the bottom and tap on it. On the next page under push notifications, go ahead and select off. This will turn off all the local push notifications that you may receive from the game. Once you turn that option off, you can easily turn off the notification setting for the game. This will stop alerts for game updates, friend requests, and event reminders. So that's it. By turning off push notification, you can focus on gameplay without interruptions. You can toggle them back on anytime if you want to stay updated. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.